Greetings everyone. Today we are going to revise the important questions and answers of the poem A Thing of Beauty written by John Keats, and it has been taken from your book Flamingo. So the type of questions which are asked from this poem are short answer type questions, and the word limit of the answers will be 30 to 40 words, and the marks awarded will be 2 or 3 on the basis of the pattern of the question paper. जो pattern होगा उसके according. Then the first question which is frequently asked is that how do beautiful things help us to live a happy life? Beautiful things कैसे हमें happy life जीने में मदद करती हैं? तो answer to this you will be writing that beautiful things provide comfort and happiness. Beautiful things क्या करती हैं? Comfort और happiness देती हैं. All these points which are there you are watching, they are all on the basis of the poem itself. Put a lasting impression and give permanent joy. Beautiful things put a lasting impression on our mind and heart, and they give us a permanent joy to our life. They bind us to the earth and help us strengthen our relationship with our nature. और ये beautiful things ही हैं जो हमें bind करती हैं earth से day by day, and they help us strengthen our relationship also with nature. Because of these beautiful things we are related to the nature also, and they also provide us relief from our everyday trials and tribulations. जो हमारी life में trials, difficulties और ups and downs आते रहते हैं, these are the beautiful things. They provide us relief from all of them, and they help us live a happy life. Second question is, what does Keats consider an endless fountain of immortal drink? Endless fountain of immortal drink Keats किसे कहते हैं? And why does he call this drink immortal? Okay, so answer to this you will write that nature's beauty is an endless fountain of immortal drink. वो nature की beauty को endless fountain बोलते हैं, immortal drink. And even वो the stories of mighty people, जो mighty dead हैं उनकी stories को भी endless fountain of immortal drink बोलते हैं. And even he is calling this drink immortal as the pleasure and delight given by it never passes into nothingness. जो भी pleasure मिलता है ब्यूटी से, नेचर की ब्यूटी से, और स्टोरीज ऑफ द माइटी डेड. सो माइटी डेड यहाँ पे कौन है? माइटी डेड यहाँ पे वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने अपनी लाइफ किसी नोबल कॉज के चलते गंवा दी है. ऑल दोज पीपल आर कॉल्ड हियर माइटी डेड. उनकी लाइफ की भी, उनकी लाइफ स्टोरी भी इंस्पायरिंग है. सो दैट इज व्हाई दैट स्टोरी इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एंडलेस फाउंटेन ऑफ इमॉर्टल ड्रिंक, बिकॉज these things never pass into nothingness. इन्हें immortal इसीलिए कहा गया है क्योंकि कभी waste नहीं होती, बेकार नहीं होती हैं. Their beauty increases with time, and the beauty of all these beautiful things keeps on increasing with the passage of time. Time के साथ ये rot नहीं होती हैं, ये खराब नहीं होती. Third question which is there is that what spreads the pall of despondence over our dark spirits and how is it removed? Okay, हमारे पास ये gloomy days कैसे आते हैं and how is the problem from our life removed? So pain and suffering are a part of life. Pain and suffering क्या है? हम सभी की life का part होता है. Life, the part of all humans life. Okay, हर इंसान की जिंदगी का part होता है. What? Pain and suffering. And there are often a number of days which bring us sadness and despondence. बहुत से ऐसे दिन हैं हमारी लाइफ में जो sadness लाते हैं, despondence लाते हैं. And these are the beautiful things which give us hope and encouragement. जो nature में हमारे आसपास और nature में environment में जो भी beautiful चीजें हैं, they all give us hope and encouragement, and they keep on inspiring us to move forward in life. वो हमें inspire करते हैं for what? To move forward in our life. So they are there who remove this pall of despondence. क्या है वो pall of despondence? कौन हम हटाते हैं? Beautiful things. Okay, beautiful things found in nature and in our environment around us. Fourth question is, how does a thing of beauty provide shelter and comfort? Okay, थिंग ऑफ ब्यूटी कैसे शेल्टर और कंफर्ट प्रोवाइड करती है, तो इसका आंसर आप लिखेंगे दैट थिंग्स ऑफ ब्यूटी प्रोवाइड शेल्टर एंड कंफर्ट इन मेनी वेज. Okay, and what are the ways? First thing is they give shady place to rest. They provide a cooling covert. Make this line is there in the poem. They provide us a shady place to rest, and they give us a sleep filled with sweet dreams. Beautiful चीजें क्या करती हैं, हमें एक sleep देती हैं, नींद देती हैं full of sweet dreams. They give us good sleep also. So if you sleep well, then obviously you will be in good health, and if you are in good health, then obviously you will be leading a happy life. आप जो लाइफ की प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं आप उसे आराम से टैकल कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्रीम्स प्रोवाइड एस अ कूल कवरिंग अगेंस्ट द हॉट सीजन. जो स्ट्रीम है, वाटर बॉडीज हैं अर्थ पे, जो सुंदर वाटर बॉडीज हैं, दे ऑल प्रोवाइड अस कूल कवरिंग एंड अगेंस्ट द हॉट सीजन. जब भी हॉट सीजन होता है, हॉट वेदर होता है, दे ऑल प्रोवाइड अस रिलीफ फ्रॉम दैट. नेक्स्ट इज what makes human beings love life in spite of troubles and sufferings? This one is number 5. Actually, it's not number 4. What makes human beings love life in spite of troubles and sufferings? इतनी troubles हैं, इतनी sufferings हैं, फिर भी why do humans love their life? So answer to this question you will be writing is that human life is hopeless and sad. There are a lot of hopelessness and sadness in our lives, and this sadness is also because of the wicked nature of other people. There are a lot of people around us who are of wicked nature, and they provide suffering to our lives, and beautiful objects from nature help us get rid of this sadness. जो beautiful चीजें हैं nature में, they all help us in getting rid of this problem. ये सबसे बड़ा कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन है ब्यूटीफुल चीज़ों का हमारी लाइफ में. दे मेक अस लव लाइफ डिस्पाइट ऑफ सफरिंग्स एंड ट्रबल्स. इतनी सारी सफरिंग्स एंड ट्रबल्स हैं, डिस्पाइट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ देम दे हेल्प अस इन लिविंग आवर लाइफ विद लव एंड हैप्पीनेस. Next one is, why is grandeur associated with the mighty dead? What is the endless fountain and what is its effect? Okay, क्या grandeur जो है mighty dead से associated है? So it is mighty dead laid their life for noble cause. Mighty dead पहले हम यहाँ समझेंगे. Who are the mighty dead? Mighty dead are the people who laid their life for some noble cause. Okay, that is why they are called mighty dead. Their death is grand. Why grand? Because they died for noble cause. Their memories are also immortal. Why are memories called immortal here? Because their stories keep on inspire the readers and the listeners. जो सुनते हैं या पढ़ते हैं वो कहानियां, they all keep on getting inspiration. That is why these stories are called immortal. And these stories are also called the endless fountain. That is a source of eternal joy. Eternal joy मिलता है, everlasting joy मिलता है. That is why it is called endless fountain. And these stories also motivate us to learn and move forward. वो हमें अपनी मिस्टेक से सीखना सिखाती हैं और कैसे लाइफ में आगे बढ़ते हैं. They keep on motivating us. Next is, what is the message of the poem A Thing of Beauty? अगर आपको शॉर्ट में लिखना हो, what message is given by the poet in this poem, so you will write, beautiful things are constant source of joy. पहला मैसेज है, ब्यूटिफुल थिंग्स आर कॉन्स्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ जॉय फॉर अ ह्यूमन्स लाइफ. सेकेंड इज दैट दे गिव अस एटर्नल जॉय. व्हाई आर दे कॉल्ड द कॉन्स्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ जॉय? बिकॉज दे प्रोवाइड अस एटर्नल प्लेजर. एटर्नल मीन्स वो चीज जो कभी खत्म ना हो, एवरलास्टिंग. दे लीव एन एवरलास्टिंग इम्प्रेशन ऑन आवर माइंड एंड सोल. ओके, हमारे दिमाग पे, हमारी आत्मा पे, mind and soul, they put everlasting impression. And beautiful things worth treasure. And even beautiful things क्या हैं, वो worth treasured हैं, वो अपनी memory में रखने के लायक होती हैं, because they provide us everlasting joy and they are constant source of joy. Next is, what image does the poet use to describe the beautiful bounty of the earth? कौन सा image, कौन सी चीजें poet यहाँ पे use कर रहा है to show us the beauty of nature? So these are the things like the sun he is talking about, the moon, the trees, and trees young and old. This is the line in the poem you must have come across. Even the flowers, the daffodils, beauty flowers, the lush green forest, The sheep, the green forest, the streams, your river bird and what other water bodies all reflect the beauty of nature. ये सभी क्या है? नेचर की ब्यूटी दिखाते हैं. ये माउंटेन्स, the beautiful weather, sun, moon, stars, everything the poet is talking about. That was all for this poem. Thank you.